Hello everyone, welcome back to the Token Minds series. Today we are going to talk about a growing challenge enterprises face as they enter Web3, how to coordinate assets, data, and workflows across multiple blockchains and existing enterprise systems. This is where Chainlink CRE comes in. In this session, I'll walk you through what Chainlink CRE is, why it matters for enterprises, how it works, and where it fits into the future of interoperable digital finance. So Chainlink CRE is a cross-chain orchestration layer designed to help enterprises manage activity across multiple blockchains and internal systems through a single coordinated workflow. Instead of running disconnected processes on different chains and platforms, CRE allows organizations to see, control, and automate everything in one unified flow. This brings clarity to assets, operations, and reduces the complexity that usually comes with multi-chain environments. At a deeper level, Chainlink CRE acts as the orchestration layer that synchronizes blockchain actions with internal enterprise systems. It supports real production use cases such as tokenized fund operations, cross-network settlements, and controlled stablecoin processes. CRE exists because enterprises want serious production-ready interoperability, but they are constrained by privacy rules, jurisdictional differences, and legacy technology. CRE is designed to work within those constraints. Organizations today face increasing pressure to adopt tokenization, automate workflows, and operate across multiple blockchains at the same time. And smart contracts have become more demanding because they now require access to external data, identity systems, compliance logic, and cross chain execution. Most existing blockchain and enterprise systems were never designed to support this level of coordination in a predictable and scalable way. These goals also collide with reality. Legacy core systems limit speed and flexibility, fragmented workflow increase operational and audit complexity, and compliance teams require deterministic, transparent execution. Without a structured orchestration layer, cross-chain operations become difficult to launch and even harder to scale. Chainlink CRE was created to bridge this gap by coordinating data, compliance, and execution into a single enterprise-ready workflow. First, Chainlink CRE uses a modular, capability-based architecture. This allows enterprises to replace rigid, predefined services with flexible components that can be assembled based on real business needs. Second, compliance is built directly into the workflow. Identity checks, compliance logic, and data governance are integrated by design instead of being added later as custom solutions. Third, CRE enables true interoperability across both public and permission networks. This allows enterprises to coordinate workflows across multiple blockchains without fragmenting operations. And finally, CRE supports automated workflows for complex multi-step processes. This includes executions like NAV updates and settlements that must run predictably and consistently in regulated environments. This shows how Chainlink CRE actually works in practice, from data input all the way to execution. First is the data layer. CRE pulls information from both internal enterprise systems and external data sources, allowing workflows to react to real-world and on-chain events at the same time. Next is the verification and workflow layer. Chainlink verifies incoming data for accuracy, then CRE workflow engine checks business rules and conditions before any action is allowed. And finally, there is the execution layer. Once everything is verified, smart contracts execute payments or actions on chain, and enterprise systems are updated automatically to keep record, reconciliation, and audits in sync. In supply chain environments, CRE can ingest and verify IoT sensor data from warehouses, vehicles, or production lines. Once the data is verified, CRE workflows can automatically trigger on-chain machine payments or financial actions. Every step is logged, creating a trusted audit trail that connects physical events to financial settlement in real time. For insurance, CRE enables objective, data-driven claim processing. External events such as weather conditions, shipment delays, or IoT alerts are verified using Chainlink data feeds. CRE workflows then evaluate policy rules and automatically trigger claim payouts on the appropriate blockchain. This replaces manual review with predictable and auditable execution. In digital asset ecosystems, CRE can automate royalty distribution across multiple chains. Trusted off-chain usage or sales data is verified, Royalty logic is applied and payouts are distributed to the correct parties on different networks. This gives creators, platforms, and rights holders a transparent and reliable view of how and when they are paid. For reward assets, CRA coordinates cross-chain payments using bank-issued stablecoins. Authorization and compliance checks are enforced before assets move across chains. Settlement occurs on the most appropriate network, and enterprise systems are updated automatically for reconciliation and audit purposes. This enables reward settlement flows across multiple blockchains without losing control. From the data, we can see that cross-chain orchestration is becoming critical. Organizations lose millions of dollars each year due to data silos, and interoperability failures are consistently cited as a major barrier to institutional blockchain adoption. At the same time, privacy, compliance, and legacy integration remain the top obstacles. CRA directly addresses these structural challenges. While Chainlink CRE simplifies cross-chain operations, adoption still depends on internal readiness. Legacy infrastructure may limit automation, compliance requirements vary by jurisdiction, and network participation affects resilience. CRE reduces technical complexity, but successful implementation still requires careful design and governance. When compared to custom integrations, cross-chain bridges, or traditional API orchestration platforms, CRE offers a more enterprise-ready approach. Custom builds are costly and fragile. Bridges focus only on asset movement, and API platforms lack native on-chain verification. CRE combines interoperability, compliance, and very viable execution into a single workflow layer. Looking ahead, Chainlink CRE has the potential to become core infrastructure for on-chain settlement, asset servicing, and cross-chain financial operations. As adoption grows, enterprises may shift away from fragmented integrations towards standardized workflows built on a shared interoperability layer, accelerating the development of interoperable digital finance ecosystems. Token mines can help design structured workflows, map legacy systems and data sources, build controlled pilot environments, and support governance, monitoring, and production rollout for your business. Our goal is to ensure CRA workflows align with real operational and compliance requirements. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to design and deploy governed, compliant cross-chain workflows using Chainlink CRE, reach out to us. We'd love to help you build the next generation of interoperable digital finance systems.